Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create columns within a text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create columns within text box. Firstly, insert a text box. Go to the insert menu and click the text box option and draw a text box. Now we can see we create a text box. Now we want to create columns within this text box. Firstly, write something. Now I write some text. Now click inside the text box and go to the text box format menu. Then click the column drop down menu and you can choose any column like 2 or 3. Now I insert 2 columns and we can see we create 2 columns within text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.